morning 7th class. I am your SST teacher and today is Thursday student. Inshallah today we are going to complete our chapter on crusades. So far we have learned that crusades are the wars. They were fought between Europeans and the Muslims. Basically Europeans, Christians. And they were fought because Christians wanted to free Holy Land from the Muslims. And after attacking the Muslim areas, they brutally killed the Muslims, they looted the property of the Muslims, and then we learned about the character of the rulers of the Crusaders. We learned that they were very brutal people. They looted the property of the Muslims and they built the large castles so Muslims cannot again enter into their cities. In today's topic, we are going to read about the effects of crusades and the Muslim rule. If you remember in earlier part of this chapter, I told you that when these crusades happened, at that time Muslims were living in their golden era. At that time Muslim world had the best universities, Muslims had the best mathematicians, Muslims had the best physicists, the people who were into physics. The Muslims had the best people who knew how to do algebra. I hope you know this fact that Muslims invented algebra. You know, Muslims have invented so many things. The things that the modern world is using today, they were actually invented by Muslims. Coffee was invented by Muslims. Compass that people use these days to find the direction was invented by Muslims. Similarly, algebra was invented by Muslims. The first camera, it was invented by the Muslims. And you know, at that time, Muslim world was a center of the knowledge. The best writers, the best books were written in the Muslim world. And I am so sad to tell you that when Crusaders attacked the Muslim cities like Baghdad and so on, you know what did they do? They stole all the important and precious books and they took them to the Europe with them. And then they continued researching on them and presented their products like it's their own. But actually the research was started in the Muslim countries by the Muslims. So in this topic we are going to read about all these effects. How did crusade affect both Muslims and Europeans? Before the crusade, Muslim world, they were living in the east. They are called the east world and the west world. And the west, they were kind of disconnected with each other. But when crusades happened, they got a chance to interact with each other. European learned many things from the Muslim and same way Muslims learned many things from the European. The Muslims, Arab in particular, learned eagerly from other civilizations to develop their knowledge. The European learned from the Arabs. Now look at this. Europeans learned skills like cartography, science of map making. Europeans had no idea about what maps are. It was actually Muslims who were using maps at that time. And when Europeans came into the Muslim world, they learned how to make maps. And why are even maps important? And the use of the compass. Compass is a device that tells you about the direction, east, west, north, south. And then other things that they learned from the Muslims were Arabic numbers, fine steel. You know, steel, the steel utensil that are found in your home. Steel is not a metal in itself. It is made by mixing two different metals. And actually they were Muslims who invented the steel. Europeans learned how to make steel from Muslims. Silk and cotton. Carpets, the best carpets were woven in Muslim countries. Glass mirror and chess. Chess is a game. And then new spices and food. Here is the pictorial description of all these things. You can have a good look at them. Other than these things, there are number of things that are not mentioned here. I have mentioned them in earlier part of the video for you. I am going to name them again. It included algebra, it included the very first pinhole camera, coffee, and so on. The list goes on. The Muslim at that time, they were living in the golden era. They had the best personalities, they had the best researchers. So students, this was all about the Crusades. Now we are done with the reading section. Today we covered page number 28. And students, this is your written work for today. Enlist any 3 effects of Crusades. Please write down the answer of this question into your notebook. And after completing your work, take a picture of it and upload it into comment section so I can check it. And if any one of you is facing any difficulty in doing your homework, please let me know so I can help you. Thank you so much students. Take care.